Press the bell icon and subscribe to Sportskeeda and never miss anything from the world of sport again.
Virat Kohli has established himself as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. From 2008 to present, he has scored more than 20,000 runs in his career, which is rarely possible for an ordinary cricketer. And he is still 30. However, there are some interesting facts about Virat Kohli which every cricket fan must know. Number 1. Virat Kohli took a wicket off the 0th ball of his T20 career. Virat Kohli dismissed England's Kevin Pietersen with a wide, becoming the only bowler to take a wicket on the 0th delivery of his T20 career. Bowling for the first time in T20 International, Kohli bowled a wide, following which Dhoni stumped Pietersen. His bowling figures read 0.0011 before bowling a legal delivery. Number 2. Virat Kohli, the brand ambassador for BSF. Virat Kohli has been appointed the brand ambassador for Border Security Force in 2013. That was the first time that any central force in India has decided to appoint a brand ambassador. His name, meaning huge, is synonymous with the force. Plus, he's a rising star, said BSF General Director Subhash Joshi in an event. Number 3. Only Indian all-rounder in top 50 in T20 internationals. Virat Kohli was Team India's highest ranked T20 international all-rounder. He was currently placed at 40 in the T20 international rankings. Number 4. Highest bat endorsement for any player in the world. Virat Kohli earns 13.75 crores per year with MRF. He renewed his bat sponsorship deal with MRF for 8 years for 110 crores in 2017. This is the highest bat endorsement for any player in the world. Number 5. Virat Kohli turned vegan. Virat Kohli revealed that it's been around 2 years since he has turned vegetarian and he feels that it has improved his game. Kohli's current diet includes protein shakes, vegetables and soya. Number 6. A street in Australia named after Virat Kohli. An upcoming housing estate in Melbourne's western suburb of Rock Band has named streets after cricketing legends from around the world, and Virat Kohli is one among them. It's called Kohli Crescent. Number 7. Highest brand value among Indian celebrities. Virat Kohli retained his position as the biggest celebrity in India for the third successive year, as his brand value proved to be double of the secondly placed Akshay Kumar. Number 8. Virat Kohli Foundation. Virat Kohli Foundation aims to work towards the development of underprivileged athletes in the country. Recently, Indian tennis player Sumit Nagal revealed that he was supported by Virat Kohli Foundation. In 2019, he became the first Indian player to win a set against the maestro Roger Federer. Number 9. Virat Kohli was the only second Indian to win both Under-19 and One-Day International World Cups. He won Under-19 World Cup as a captain in 2008 and he was part of 2011 World Cup winning team also. Number 10. Most runs in a decade. Virat Kohli was the first batsman to smash 20,000 runs in a decade. It was in 2010 to 2019. In this decade, Kohli has scored 69 international hundreds and 95 half-centuries with an average of more than 57. Number 11. Aggressive captaincy. Kohli was the only Asian captain to win Test in England, Australia and South Africa. He was also the first Asian captain to win a Test series in Australia. He was also the first Indian captain to win a bilateral ODI series in South African soil. Number 12. Chase Master. Virat Kohli averages 120.9 in successful run chases in T20 internationals. In ODIs, he averages 96.7 in successful run chases. Number 13. Virat Kohli Pavilion. The captain of Indian cricket team recently received the honor of having a pavilion on his name in Arun Jaitley Stadium, Delhi. In the unveiling ceremony, DDCA president said, "There is no player better than Virat Kohli in the world." Number 14. Fastest 100 by an Indian in ODIs. Virat Kohli scored the fastest ever century by an Indian in ODIs. He scored 100 in just 52 balls against Australia in 2013. Number 15. First cricketer to score a century in World Cup debut. Virat Kohli was the only Indian cricketer to score 100 on World Cup debut. He scored his first ever World Cup century in 2011 World Cup against Bangladesh. He scored 100 in just 83 balls, which helped India to get a winning start in the World Cup. Number 16. He was never auctioned in IPL history. Virat Kohli, who played all the IPL seasons for Royal Challengers Bangalore, has never been auctioned so far in the history of IPL. Number 17. Virat Kohli, the keeper. Virat Kohli has kept wicket twice in his cricket career. When MS Dhoni took off the pads and decided to bowl during the dying stages of the day 4 in the first test against South Africa in Johannesburg, Virat Kohli kept wicket for the first time. And during a match between India and Bangladesh at Dhaka, the man donned the gloves when Dhoni took a break to answer nature's call. Number 18. 500 plus runs in a bilateral series. Virat Kohli was the first cricketer in the world to score 500 plus runs in a bilateral ODI series. The 30-year-old achieved this feat by scoring 558 runs in 6 matches, which helped India to win the series by 5-1. Number 19. Kohli has 9 tattoos on his body. During this journey to success, Virat Kohli got his body inked 9 times. Each and every tattoo on his body has a story to tell and signifies a turning point in the career of this Delhi batsman. Number 20. Most hundreds in chasing. Virat Kohli has scored 26 hundreds out of his 43 while chasing in the second innings. No other batsman has scored more than 17 hundreds in chasing. And what is even more unbelievable, that he has taken his side to victory on 22 of those occasions.